Hey guys, it's Cindy from Running Skirts. Hope you're all staying healthy out there. We've got more Run Love for you this week. We are doing free neck wraps, Keep It Chill neck wraps with purchase. These are great for summer runs and keeping you cool, but they also make excellent face covers right now. So I'm going to share with you a little face cover hack. All you need is a wrap and 2 elastics or ponytail holders. And what you're going to do is lay it down on a flat surface, and you're going to take the elastic and put one over each side of the wrap. And then you're gonna fold in the outsides like so. And then once you have the edges inside, you're gonna hold them while holding the elastics and lift it up to your face, attach it over each ear, and then you can adjust it the way you like so that it's comfortable. It's gonna stay put because it's clipped over your ears. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you're all running out there. Stay healthy. Happy running.